Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to show you how do you do investments from how do you do investment from zerodha kite. So once you open kite and log in, so here you see I have kept these lists, but you can also have your own list. So what do we do now is I would like to show you how do you buy it and what are the different options that is there. So for example, if I have to buy SBI shares, I click on SBI, yeah. Or if you want to search for anything else, you can search here, for example, Tech Mahindra, yeah. Okay, before I go to buy, I would like just show you how these works. So these are 5 different lists that you can have to save your uh, shares or whatever you want to follow the price change and on. So what you can do is for banks, what I will do is say I write bank. I see all these banks. Let us say I don't have Indian Bank over here, or FEDER, Federal Bank is there. Yeah. So each bank has a trade option where you can buy from NSE or from BSE, National Stock Exchange, or from Bombay Stock. So if I have to add this to my watch list, I just click on this plus, and yeah, it is added to my watch list. So if you see over here, I can go whatever is added now always goes to the bottom. Yeah. Another option that you have over here is how to filter to see shares which belong to NSE. You click on NSE, you see that. To see shares which belong to BSE, you click on this. And to see shares that you already own, you click on holdings. Yeah, it shows like this. So what I'll do is clear. Now you can also sort all those saved shares alphabetically, or you can sort them based on percent change, which basically shows how much percentage change has happened in a day, daily percent change. This is LTP, or last traded price, which will basically show you shares based on changing price. So SRE infra is the lowest. If I click on it again, it will show the highest. Yeah. Similarly, percent change will show highest loss to highest gain. If I click on it again, it will show highest gain to highest loss. Yeah. Done. So now, for example, I open Repco Homes if I have to buy it. Okay. So buy or sell. If you already have holdings, you can sell. If you want to buy, you click on buy. Now, what you can also do is if you are someone who wants to do intraday trading, then you can, even if you don't have, you buy, do sell. Again, it will get, if you do sell or buy, it will, the reverse will happen at the day end of the trading day. So what you can see over here is market depth. So what is market depth? It shows how many people are putting a bid on how much shares. If you see the time on top left side, it's 12 p.m. in the night. So what you see is there's a huge demand for this share. People have already placed orders overnight, so which is called as after market orders, AMO. So this is something which is AMO order. Yeah. Another option that you have over here is to view chart. So this you can see the current price. So if you see the low and the high, I think maybe because it is at low, that's why people have put orders to buy it. And what I have at the bottom is RSI, which I used to, which you can use to determine how much people are buying and selling. So the lower the RSI means more people are selling. So you can, it can go even more down, or you can use it to buy it over here. So when RSI goes high, usually people sell. Yeah, if you see where the prices are high, RSI is high. If you see where prices are low, RSI is low. Yeah, so I come back. Yeah, you can buy, click on buy and buy how much ever shares you want. So you write the quantity, price. Now there are two options. One is market. So market means whatever the price it is getting sold at, you can buy at that. If you click on limit, you tell at what price you want to buy. If you click on stop loss, you basically say, okay, I want to say it is at selling at 164. You say you want to buy it at a price lower. Say you say you want to buy it 163 but not higher than 165, something like that. Yeah. Now you have all these four. So I usually use regular, which basically means you buy it and it comes to your account. And then you have AMO, which is overnight order. Yeah. And you can have it as validity as for 1 day, or validity can be IOC till it gets completed. Yeah. So you have INC and CNC and miss. CNC is basically you have cash and carry. You buy it and keep it. Miss is usually used for intraday trading. Yeah. So what I usually do is cash and carry. I do not believe in intraday trading because intraday trading there is too much of volatility. You may gain money, but you may also lose money. So there is a huge risk. A lot of people lose money on intraday trading. So I usually say don't do intraday trading. Just do cash and carry. So you also intraday trading, whether you make profit or loss, at the end of the day, when the market closes, they will close it. And intraday trading advantages, you can on zerodha, depending on the share type, you can buy 2 times, 3 times, 5 times the share, the amount of your money you have. For example, if I have 109 rupees, which you say on the right bottom, so I can buy shares worth 300 rupees, just for example. So that increases my chances of getting profit 3 times, but also increases my chances of getting loss by 3 times. Yeah. Okay. So you can say 164 is the market price. You say you would pay. I don't have that much money, so I'd say I'll go for something which has lesser money, and I would do a percent change. And I see JM Financial, Reliance Infra. I see Reliance Infra is at low. So what I'll do is I'll say buy, and I said 22 rupees 45 paisa. I want one, but I put limit. Okay, so I see on top I see the last traded price. Now you have two options. You can either buy it from NSE or you can buy it from BSE. Here you see BSE is more, NSE is less, but sometimes it can also be reverse. It can be same. So at that time it depends on you. So zerodha is the only place where get the option of buying it from NSE or BSE at the same time. Very innovative option from zerodha. So I have just 109 rupees. So what I'll do is I'll say okay, and I would say I would buy it at I would buy it at 21.45. 21.45. So what is my calculation for this is I have done a rough calculation that 5% price will fall. So based on that I have 109 rupees. So what I'll do is I'll put 5, which would be, I can then I can do a cross check over here. This would be 107. So did you see, hope you saw this small circle at the bottom that I clicked. I'm clicking again. That gives you how much price, approximate margin it would need, how much money you have. So this is very important if you are putting order after market orders, because when the market opens it would check if you have enough balance. If it does not do not have enough balance, it will get rejected. So I do swipe to buy. Yeah, so you see the order is placed. Now to see where my order is placed, I come to orders. I can see executed orders. For example, I was trying to sell Adani Green, but I did not have money. It did not get sold and I did not have money. So you see insufficient margin. I did not have that much money. I don't know why. Maybe it was a mistake by which I had put. I never have that much money. Yeah. So yeah, you put it and you see how you get it. Yeah. This is how you do trading over here from zerodha. Let me know in comments below if you would like to have any advice. Do not ask me for trading advice because I am not a qualified person to give you trading advice, but I can give you advice on how to use zerodha. Yeah, this is the kite app which you use for share market. Yeah, thank you. And if you do like the video, please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, comment below. I would reply to it. Thank you.